A tree in which the bark contains tannin which is used to strengthen fish nets. What tree is it? Introducing Dongon lati, Herrera littoralis of the family Malvaceae. The genus Herrera was given in honor of the French botanist Charles Louis Herrera de Breteuil. The species name littoralis comes from the Latin word littoralis, meaning of the shore or coastal. This indicates that the plant's typical habitat along coastal areas and mangroves. Dongon lati is a relative of Dongon Herrera sylvatica and usually thrives in inland zones of mangrove areas. It can easily be recognized by the silvery scales on the underside of its leaves. Dongon lati is a medium-sized evergreen tree that prefers full sun exposure for optimal growth. Its wood makes piling, posts, paving blocks, handles for picks, axes, and other tools. The dried fruits are used together with different materials for floral decor and similar items. Various parts of the plant have medicinal uses. The decoction of the seeds is used for diarrhea and dysentery. Root decoction is used to treat mouth infections and toothache. The bark contains tannin which is used to strengthen fish nets. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.